From darkness to light, witness the transformation of the municipality of Badoc, where faith and unity turned the town known for its notorious reputation into a haven of peace, love, and enlightenment. In the gloomy streets of Badoc, Ilocos Norte, a young boy grew up in a town with a fearsome reputation, known for its many lawbreakers. His childhood was haunted with constant fear and violence, walking down the same street with offenders and delinquents. In their despair, the town folks found a beacon of hope in La Virgen Milagrosa de Baro. Their prayers, fervent and unwavering, pleading for an end to the bloodshed and crime that had plagued their town. Miraculously, the tide began to turn as the very individuals who had perpetuated the town's infamy were apprehended and imprisoned. This crucial moment sparked a transformation, not just in the prisoners, but also in their families, who turned to their faith for guidance, praying for enlightenment and a chance to start anew. The crime rate decreased, turning the town into a symbol of redemption and the strong power of faith. The Vatican, moved by this remarkable transformation, recognized the parish of St. John the Baptist as a minor basilica, a testament to the town's spiritual journey. In response, the people of Badoc, once shrouded in fear and shame, turned into celebration, creating a festival filled with revelry and gratitude. This festival is a celebration and a heartfelt thanksgiving to La Virgen Milagrosa de Badoc, who had guided them from a path of darkness into a bright future filled with peace and hope.
Idi,
Titao,
deti ilimi nga Badoc, kat nakabubuteng. Adu, dagiti may walwala nga matmatay. Madimi mo't amo, no siya sino iti ang pagpapatay.
Ado iti krimen ng nangruna, iti pinagpipinatay.
Eyewitness and shooting incidents, 3 ang binarin.
Agdintinamag ti Ilocos Norte, nga datayo iti killers.
Adda kami ito nga magkipigkot, adda kami ito nga bukbuteng, adda kami ito nga madi makapangan, madi makatulog.
nakabutbutin iti mapaspasahan. Apo ka asyan na kami. Ave Maria.
Anala unay nagkurangam ay ayatek nga ilik nga bato. O ina nga nadungo, dinggem tuyarararaw ko, tulungam nga agbalbaliw, silawam tuy puso.
Napatid si Kararang. Kararang kailangan patikulan si Apo, anything to us of me shall be given unto you.
In-identify natin yung mga gun for hire groups and pinasurrender natin sila. Unti-unti nang nagbago ang old image ng Bago.
Ito'y panangibabaet niya Apo Virgen Milagrosa de Badoc, isu, itinangwak nit, itili nga Badoc, nagbalinan nga naranyag, kas labitwen, kas la bulan, kas layinit nga naranyag. Baro ang Badoc, Badoc mapaluan.
In a letter of July 26, 2018, expressing the prayers and desires of the clergy and the faithful, by the Supreme Pontiff Francis, very willingly bestows upon the parish church in the town of Badoc that is dedicated to God in honor of Saint John the Baptist, the title and dignity of a minor basilica.